Theresa May is totally devoid of the basic human skills needed for office, a leading MEP said on Tuesday, as Guy Verhoftstadt hailed a real Brexit revolt in Britain after Westminster wrested control of the Article 50 process from the Prime Minister. Philippe Lamberts, who sits on the European Parliament's influential Brexit steering group, said the Prime Minister had an inability to factor in what other people think. He warned she could be tempted to pursue a scorched earth Brexit policy after MPs backed the let-win amendment last night. Mr. Verhofstadt, the European Parliament's Brexit coordinator, said the series of indicative votes in the House of Commons would, for the first